coming back to the point I made, it wasn't flippantly about supermarkets. Isn't that the case? People go in the supermarket, they see banks and banks. That's really how to get it out there. And as you say, give people the glasses.
I think that would be very effective. I was very impressed already several months ago in March, I think February or March, I went to the Westfields shopping center, and Sky had a demonstration set up there showing some 3D soccer and other sports, and giving all the information to consumers that walked around in this huge shopping center in West London. And it was a great experience. And I heard people just trying it and just saying, wow, when can I get it? And well, since a few weeks or 2 weeks they haven't.
I think this is where I don't think we've seen the last of the passive 3D televisions, because with those televisions that Sky are using in pubs and others, then the glasses are cheap, more expensive displays, but cheap glasses. And once they sort out the quality issues, where they don't lose the resolution on the 2D because they have the filters over the top, I can see those becoming more popular. Slightly more expensive display, but you can buy all the glasses for your friends. You can give them out in the supermarket as they're walking around buying their stuff, and I think that'll take off.
Yeah, that's a possibility. Although it looks at the moment exactly well, it looks differently because the shutter glass technology is prevailing big time, and
because they're cheap for make.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
They can make more money on the glasses.
I know.
Well, that's the business, isn't it?
That's the business.
That's a business model. It's a business model.